Hello, Falcon. So last class we did where you were given one strategy for solving word problems, right? And we talked about how every word problem was different. So it may not be solving the same way no matter what the problem is. So keep that in mind for today. Another strategy is going to be on the bottom left-hand corner right here. And so if you see it says, box your keywords, circle important numbers, and cross out things maybe that you don't need. Solve the first step using what you know, and then go from there. All right. And then thinking about, does your answer make sense? So if we read number 1, there are 56 birdhouses at school. Today, 4 classes made more birdhouses. Each class made 8 birdhouses. How many total birdhouses are there now? So when we talk about keywords and important numbers, right, we're talking about this is important, right? 56 birdhouses. We're talking about 4 classes are important. And then we're talking about this 8 birdhouses. We have, keywords. So there were today and each class, right? Those are kind of our, okay, so we're starting here, then we're adding more, and then in that more, we have an each sort of thing. So how many total birdhouses are there now? So again, how one person solves this may be different than another person solves this, and that is A-okay. That's what's awesome about word problems. As long as your math is sound, I don't care about your strategy. I told you that last class. So we had 56. 4 more classes made birdhouses, and each class made 8. So what do you think? What do you think our first step might be? Let's figure out how many were made today, right? So we have 4 classes, and if 8 are made in each class, is that 4 plus 8, minus 8, times 8, or divided by 8? We should have said times. So we are going to do 4 times 8 and get that answer. What's that going to be? 32. Then we're going to add that because we had 56 to begin with. So then when we add what we had to begin with, we get 88. So there are 88 total birdhouses by the end of school today. Sometimes